Hello and welcome back to part 2 on our installment on how to replace a drain valve on an IBC. I've taken the liberty of keeping this bottle out from the first installment, and I wanted to show you a little known idea that I think more people would do if they thought of it. So this is the new valve that I just installed in the first video. I'm going to remove it. Exposing my 75mm coarse thread, and I am going to show you an adapter that goes from 75mm coarse buttress thread to 2-inch NPT thread, and it threads on there incredibly easy, like so. And then, since I want to use a 3/4 inch valve, I take this bushing, which is 2-inch by 3/4 inch, and thread it into the adapter. And then, since most people are endeavoring to connect a garden hose to it, instead of a fairly expensive bulky valve like this that still doesn't have the threads you need, use one of these. Take a simple hose bib with a 3/4 inch thread, 3/4 inch NPT thread, and then you have your hose thread on there. Connect it like so, and now you've got a affordable, leak-proof, simple way to replace your defective valve with something that will last for as long as the bottle does. Once again, this is Will from IBC Stuff. I'd be happy to answer any questions or share any comments you may have with this. The YouTube channel is IBC Stuff, and the website is ibcstuff.com. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.